Okay, here we have 0.9, 0.2, 0.1, 0.8 raised to the 2 to the n power for n equals 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to see how to calculate these matrices. Okay, so if n equals 1, then 2 to the n equals 2. So we raise this matrix to the second power, which means we multiply this matrix by itself, and we've already seen how that works out, and we get this matrix, 0.83, 0.34, 0.17, 0.66. Now, if n equals 2, 2 to the n is 2 to the second, which is 4. So we've got to raise this matrix to the fourth power. Now I could write out the matrix times the matrix times the matrix times the matrix, and then do the last two, and then multiply whatever that product is, which would be this, by the next one, and multiply that product then by the remaining original matrix. That would be a lot of work. It's, it's a fair amount of work just to multiply one of these matrices out. But we can reduce the amount of work by simply raising this thing to the fourth, which means, well, it's the same as raising the square to the second power. Why is that? Because the square consists of the matrix times the matrix. Raised to the second power, it's going to be that times itself, which is going to contain the matrix times the matrix, and then the matrix times the matrix 4 times. So we know that if we square the square, we get the fourth power. We've already got the square, which is right here, so we just square it to obtain the fourth power. Okay, then think what would we get if we square that matrix, and what would we get if we square that matrix? You think it through and you see how you get these results.